I I have no words, but we're gonna talk about what happened in the jobs report today. So last month, a lackluster jobs report resulted in the firing of the head of the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Today, we got the jobs report for August, and here's what we found out. When July's jobs numbers fell short of analyst expectations, Trump went on the offensive, claiming the data was made up to make him look bad. As a result, Trump moved to fire the head of the agency responsible for this report, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, replacing the outgoing chair with the chief economist from the Heritage Foundation. So, what did August's job reports show? Well, they showed the exact same thing. In contrast to the forecasted 75,000 non farm payrolls, the BLS's report showed a rise of only 22,000. This was not only a massive miss compared to forecasts, it also represents a further decline in jobs growth, dropping from 79,000 last month to only 22,000 this month. So, how did the Trump administration respond? Unable to point to the bias of the BLS as the reason, the current reasoning is Fed bad and interest rates bad. No, seriously, Trump is blaming the fact that Powell and the Fed have not lowered interest rates as the reason that the jobs reports are worsening by the month. But is this true? Let's find out. Diving into the jobs report, here's where we saw the largest declines. Federal government jobs decreased by 15,000 due to spending cuts. Wholesale trade fell by 12,000, as did manufacturing. The obvious reason here, and a reason that comes straight from the companies themselves, tariffs. Not interest rates, tariffs. Unsurprisingly, the S&P 500 was not too happy about this report, with SPY dropping 0.4% as investor confidence slips amidst growing fears around tariffs and mixed opinions on the current state of the economy. Who could have guessed? Despite the general negative trend in the market, some sectors, such as real estate, managed to post minor gains on the day, driven by the fact that worsening economic data will still result in federal interest rates easing. However, it's important to remember that the Fed is not the reason for the change. They're simply the ones willing to do something to improve the current situation. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone!